Thursday we have an interview with you on the flight on the current situation.
Actually, I don't know where I am, but I am with
North 99.
Query in their native language.
Temporarily disabled our suggest functionality.
Capture confirmed.
Docking confirmed. Docking confirmed. And there is the hatch opening.